In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove table borders in Google Docs. Removing table borders is a simple yet effective way to create more visually appealing and clean documents, especially when you want your tables to look less like spreadsheets and more like a seamless part of the page. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to help you achieve just that. First, open a Google Doc that contains the table you want to edit. If you don't already have one, go ahead and create a new document and insert a table using the Insert option located in the top menu. Once your document with the table is ready, look closely at the borders. These lines separate the rows and columns, which you might want to remove or customize depending on your needs. Now click anywhere inside the table to highlight or select it. Doing this action will trigger a pop-up toolbar specifically for tables right above your document. If you're not seeing this toolbar, don't worry. You can manually enable it by right-clicking anywhere inside the table. In the menu that appears, you'll see the Table Properties option. This selection is where the magic happens. Once you've opened Table Properties, look for the Table Border option. By default, this setting is usually set to a visible thickness like 1 point. To make the borders disappear entirely, change this value to 0. This action will effectively remove all the visible borders from your table, leaving behind an invisible grid that still maintains the structure without the visual lines. But what if you're interested in keeping some borders while removing others? Google Docs allows for this flexibility. Return to the toolbar or the Table Properties option, where you can customize which borders to hide or show by adjusting the thickness of individual lines. You can boldly accentuate only the edges or specific rows and columns for a unique effect. To finalize and see your changes, simply click outside of the Table Properties menu. Instantly, you should be able to see the updated table without visible borders, or with customized ones depending on how you adjusted them. Remember, these changes are still editable, so feel free to go back and tweak further if the results aren't to your liking. And there you have it, a straightforward walkthrough on how to remove or customize table borders in Google Docs. Whether you're preparing a clean and modern resume, a professional report, or a class project, knowing how to manage table borders adds an extra layer of polish and professionalism to your documents. Play around with these settings to find what works best for your needs and check back for more helpful tips on document formatting. Thanks for watching and happy editing.